the sun too. This will be even warmer. Let's get some of this out of the road in case somebody comes by. Well, I think we're overheated now. We got 8 before we overheated. We only used 1 light. All right, I got this smaller battery. We'll see if the saw will just run that. Then it'll tell us if maybe the saw is overheated or the battery's overheated. It's only been like 5 minutes. Go check the other battery. This is the 7.5 amp hour battery that came with the saw, the BLI 30. Yeah, I put the other battery in and started up again. Still got 3 lights. Maybe that overheat was just a thing being conservative. I don't know. I might have been able to just reset it. It's not getting any cooler out here, I'll tell you that. Overheat again. Just try and reset it this time. Yeah, reset. A couple more cuts. Overheat again, reset it. It's not great for the battery probably to overheat like that. Another overheat, reset. Okay, let's make it 16. Call it good. Okay, 16. Put this thing on boost, put it on high. That's the way I always use it. We got 2 lights. We did like 1 cut with that little battery. Wow, I just waited a couple minutes. If that battery showed overheated, it's charging, went right on the charger. That surprises me. I guess it's not that bad of an overheat then, is it?